Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to get wines for free in Clash Royale in 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you the official and the easy methods that work inside the game. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our method 1, you need to come here on supercell.com. Over here you will see the option of store. So once you click on the option of store, you will be able to just see all of the games available here. So select Clash Royale store, then you will be landed here on this page. So you need to log in here with the help of your Supercell ID. So every day the Clash Royale shop refreshes the new items. So many times you will get the free rewards like gold wildcards or even seasonal items like wines. All you need to do is to tap on the option of claim and they are instantly added to your account. So during the special events and the seasons, the shop may also give you the discounted bundles where you can grab the wines without using the gems. So you need to always check the shop every single day so that you never miss out this opportunity. There is another way to get the wines is by playing the special events and challenges. So Clash Royale often rewards players with wines as part of the event's progress over seasonal pass milestones. So by completing the battles and earning crowns, you can unlock these rewards completely free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.